coders. This book is called Early Coding Concepts. Pete Makes a Pizza, a sequence story by Elizabeth Everett, illustrated by Christos Skaltsas. In order. I'm hungry, says Pete. Let's make a pizza, says Grandpa. They read a recipe. It lists the steps in a sequence. They follow the steps in order. Pat the dough, spread the sauce, top with cheese and toppings, bake in the oven. Step 1 is the dough, says Grandpa. Pete pats the dough. Step 2 is the sauce, says Grandpa. Pete spreads the sauce. What do you think the next step is, asks Grandpa. Cheese, says Pete. Pete adds the cheese. Step 4 is the oven. The pizza bakes. Pete waits. The pizza is ready. Grandpa takes it out of the oven. He cuts it. The last step is to eat. Yum! Let's review. A sequence is an order of tasks. Pete follows a sequence to make a pizza. In computer coding, sequencing helps computers do tasks step by step. What steps do you think computers follow?